Hi everyone, this is VRL and today we will talk about the difference between calculate with and without the filter expression. As you see in this table, we have two measures, bike sales no filter and bike sales filter. The no filter one is using the calculate with the implicit filter of the calculate function, while the second one uses the filter function. And as we see here, their differences in the visual are quite big. Theoretically, they should be the same because these two measures should give the same answer. However, we see that in the visual we have these differences. Why is this? The difference comes from the particularity of the filter function. So, if the same field is placed in a slicer, like here, and in the argument of the calculate, here, then if a filter function is not used, like here, precedence is given to the filter argument of the calculate, okay? And it ignores completely the selection made by the slicer. And in this case, we see that precedence is given to this, and we have all the fields filled here with bikes. If the filter function is used in the filter argument of the calculate function, then precedence is given to the selection made by the end user in the slicer here. Therefore, filter retains and interacts with initial filter context, in our case the pivot table, while filter expression used directly in calculate ignores the context of the slicer. I hope you found useful this short video. Please like and subscribe.